Alright, you got it? You say you can park it? You good? You good? You ain't gonna hit nothing, right? You good? Oh no, oh no, oh no, watch out, hit the brakes, oh no! I let Captain Ducey park the thing one time and she hits the fence. Jeez. No, but in actuality, I hit the fence parking it. So now we gotta get a tire. So let's see if we can pull this onto the concrete driveway and change it quick. Well, that's not going to do it. I think I'm going to need a bigger hammer. Bigger hammer for the win. I told you you were coming off. Alright, you hang precariously while we go get a new tire. You can do it. What's up, Captain Crash? Did you crash into the truck? Yeah? Did you get a new tire on there? No hitting fences? You good to go? Alright, let's rock and roll.